Do you fear death? Are you afraid of the pain you'll feel when you take your last breath? Do you wonder what suffering will pass before your eyes when they close? Do you worry about what will pass through your mind in the final moments of your story? Well, in this video now, you will discover what you will feel at the time of your death. The researchers in the study, published in the scientific journal Frontiers in Aging Neuroscience, were observing the brain of an 87-year-old patient with epilepsy who was undergoing an electroencephalography (EEG) examination. When he had a massive heart attack, it was possible for the first time to have images of a brain exactly at the time of death. And because of that, scientists were able to collect some data and make their observations. In the study, it was possible to capture moments before and after the time of death. It was noticed that there were gamma oscillations, thus observing a high-frequency electroencephalographic activity. These waves are also associated with intimate aspects of the human being, such as memory, meditation, and human dreams. So, looking at this, these observations support the idea that at the moment of death, memories of great relevance, especially emotional ones, are triggered, as if a film of your life were passing by. Perhaps it is possible to remember your entire story in the blink of an eye, to see what you built, all the footprints you left along the way, from childhood to your last second. However, in some situations, it can be difficult to experience any kind of sensation, such as in sudden deaths or extreme pain. In cases of sudden death, it is very difficult to interpret consciously what is happening because the central nervous system simply stops functioning and consciousness fades away. On the other hand, in situations where there is suffering involved, the individual may lose consciousness and faint due to pain. There is a release of neurotransmitters that can cause a certain sense of comfort, analgesia, and well-being. This can be a mechanism that alleviates pain. Now, our research will head towards the United Kingdom, at Imperial College London. The scientists wanted to investigate the similarities between two phenomena. The first to be analyzed is the near-death experience or NDE. The other ones are the hallucinations caused by dimethyltryptamine, a psychedelic drug. DMT is found in several plants, including ayahuasca. For this, some participants were called to be observed throughout the entire experiment. Each of them received doses of dimethyltryptamine to proceed with the test, and after the effect wore off, they were asked to describe their experiences. The result was surprising. The NDE and DMT experiences were very similar in their sensations. So, feeling afraid of death is normal, however, all those images we have of it being painful or suffering are being demystified. These studies indicate that the experience lived at the time of death is a calm, serene, painless passage and possibly an hallucinatory end, a last psychedelic journey before the ultimate nothingness that will end your journey. Well, that's it. Thank you for watching until here and don't forget to check out the other videos on the channel.